Gather around, Chinese learners, as we explain to you yet another grammatical point of the Chinese language. Now, up to this point, we've already taught you that if you wanted to make any statement into a yes or no question, you simply add the word ma to the end of the statement. Now we're going to teach you another form of yes or no question called the affirmative-negative form. Now, what this involves is taking the verb in the affirmative and following that with the negative form of the verb and removing the word ma. For example, 你有吗? Do you have something? 你有吗? Or you could say 你有没有? Affirmative, negative. 有 affirmative, 没有 negative. 你有没有? Young Marcus, do you have another example?
I do indeed. Let us think of another one here. Oh, how about this one? Are you American? Are you American? You could say 你是美国人吗? Right? Using the ma for the yes or no question. Or taking that verb 是 and the affirmative 是 and the negative one 不是. You could ask 你是不是美国人? Right? That's asking the same thing.
Very good, young Marcus. One more. No, never mind. We're actually good. Thank you. Okay, moving along. We'll see you in the next segment.
Now let's practice some affirmative-negative question examples, shall we? 你有爱好吗 means, do you have any hobbies? If you wanted to make that into an affirmative-negative question, how would that sound? 你有没有爱好? Let us try another one, shall we? Use the affirmative-negative to ask the question, are you American? If you were correct, you'd say, 你是不是美国人?
你是不是美国人?
You guys are just totally magnificent.